Today we're going to make a delicious and easy recipe for lavender honey. Lavender is not only a beautiful and fragrant flower, but it also has many health benefits. When mixed with honey, it creates a flavorful and versatile condiment that can be used in a variety of recipes. Bees love lavender, and they produce some of the most flavorful honey when they feed on its nectar. To make lavender honey, we'll need just a few simple ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of honey. 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers, or 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh lavender. Let's get started. First, we're going to warm up the honey on the stove. This will make it easier to mix in the lavender. You want to be careful not to overheat the honey, so keep the heat on low and stir frequently. Next, we're going to add the lavender to the warm honey. Make sure to stir well, so the lavender is evenly distributed throughout the honey. Finally, we're going to pour the lavender honey into a jar. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for lavender honey. You can use it as a sweetener for tea or coffee. Drizzle it over yogurt or oatmeal. Or use it as a glaze for roasted vegetables or meat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Let us know in the comments how you used your lavender honey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes like this one.